to attend a conference in Kisumu for a total of 16 days, from 3rd of December all through to 16th of December. According to your next year, 16 consecutive days away from the office at Kina Hotel, Kisumu. You have seen the register?
Yes, I've seen the register.
So you want to tell us that you had sent staff to attend training for 16 days staying at Vuna Television, Kisumu, for a whole 16 days?
I think the manager can answer the question.
Yes, number 2, from the documentation you forwarded first. What was the conference? I'm just referring to the document the Senator Kina has referred to. What was that conference? What was it?
Manager.
What was the conference? Can you tell us what conference was that for 16 days in Kisumu, Pinnacle Hotel? Saturday, 2 weeks.
The manager, you need to respond.
Yes, thank you, Chair. I think I have to, you give me time, I have to look at the document again, the part of his report. I have to look at the part of.
Listen, are you the manager?
Yes,
So you're the manager, you're the one who's prepared these documents to bring the governor to come here, and then you're asking us to give you time to go through documentation. Mr. Chairman, this is a forgery. Please give us direction on this, because it does not make sense. You cannot present documentation.
Your Excellency, do you remember that the same period? That's when we lost the government for Nyaribo. Governor?
I think we lost in 20, December 20th.
Do you know the dates?
20th December. 20th December 2020.
No, the government in Karama died on the 18th of December 2020. That's to bring you to speed. And on that same day, we were in Nairobi with CECs from Chile. If you can come here and carry the Bible, and you're giving us documents indicating that he was in a conference in Kisumu on the same date that Governor Karama passed on, 18th of December. And if you remember, on the 16th, we were with CS Material Interior discussing the industrial park. You have again given us documents indicating that the people who were with in Nairobi on 16th of December were at Pinnacle Hotel attending a conference. So who is lying? Yeah, it's a serious fraud here. Serious fraud.
Chair, can the auditors kindly tell us who has signed the financial reports?
And who was the accounting officer during that period? The mastermind of this fraud, was it CEC or Chief of Lands, or it was the manager of the municipality? Because this is a serious forgery. These people you have given names here.
Was manager municipality.
Who is the person who has signed is called Leonida Mos? Who is Leonida Mos?
And is that person an ISPAC member, and what is his or her ISPAC number?
Members, please address your question to the chair.
Yes, Chair.
So that the chair directs the chair. You know, the auditor. Chair. Auditor, please respond to those issues before the auditor also responds, Chair. Yes, Chair, I'm thinking, at this rate, I'm also thinking, I wanted to raise earlier, but when we had the advance, the 2022-23, but I said let's proceed. Do you think, Chair, it might be wise then before the members to have a small conversation first, and then we make a decision on this, because it looks like these are very serious matters.
I concur.
I concur too.
But just on record, can we even have one statement from governor telling us what conference was this?
We'll get him back.
Yeah?
Get him back. Get him back.
Give us a 5 minutes break on this.
And any,
We need to check from the office, because I was not in attendance to this.
so did you come without all documents to answer to the queries, governor? You even don't know the conference that was happening for 16 days, 16 consecutive days at Kina Hotel, Kisii.
I believe it is Appendix 1.1, correct? So let's open Appendix 1.1. When I look at the Appendix 1.1, it doesn't really, it just meant from the above being catering services. I'm not seeing a date indicated there. But what is of interest to me is page 3. So Governor, let's go to page 3. So you've got page 1, you've got page 2, which I cannot tell. And then now, even in page 2, there's a date there written, 14th January, I think 2021. Where? No, I can see 2021 in mine. Huh? No, look at this, 14th January 2021. All right, but then the stamp is for 15th June 2021. Now let's go to the attendance list, because this is where we were able to separate facts from fiction. The Auditor General yesterday said that sometimes you provide documents and you keenly look at those documents, they are just a forgery. Governor, and not the minister here, tell me, daily attendance, 14th December 2020. Does 14th December 2020 relates to a financial year 2021-2022? Governor, niambie hiyo kama hiyo ni kweli.
Was it through the chair?
Governor, no. Governor, please. I want you to respond to this for me. Because I requested that you and I go through these forms together. You know, so because I want to demonstrate to you what is happening. That the auditors are not just there, you know, for the sake of being there. You're either being let down by your staff who are creating this forgery, and there are penalties for this, Governor. Because you cannot submit documentation for 2020 and you put them here and bring them to the Senate. The next one is for 2020, the next one is for 2020, daily attendance 2020, 2020. Everything is for 2020, Governor. And remember, we had prior questions where we are asking for financial statements for the previous financial year. Chairman, can you see what I'm looking at? You know, so can you help me, Governor, understand this? This is where you need to be keen on what you're being asked to come and present to this committee. Because we are very thorough, we take our time to go through the documentation. Please tell me, Your Excellency.
There might be another sound.
while on it, while on those annexures, you want to tell us that you sent people from...
I think Senator Kisii has raised an issue. There are some matters which traditionally as a committee we need to address internally. And this one is one of it, so that we know the directions we are going to take. So I request that Governor and your team, you give us about 5 minutes to consult, and then we'll call you in 5 minutes.